Have you ever poured your heart and soul into a presentation only to see crickets chirping in the audience? It's enough to make you want to crawl under your desk, right?
The National Institute of Mental Health reports that public speaking anxiety or glossophobia affects about 40% of the population. Public speaking anxiety is considered a social anxiety disorder.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of AI-based presenter training. So get ready to dish the jitters and unleash your inner superstar. First of all, I want you to just forget the endless hours of practices in front of your mirror. AI is really starting to transform the way we prepare our presentations. And here's the mind-blowing stuff. Immersive practice rooms. Imagine stepping into a virtual reality conference room filled with a lifelike audience. Your AI coach from companies like Engage VR or Agora with their upcoming VR features analyzes your delivery from body language to vocal pacing, offering real-time feedback you can instantly implement. I know the second one can be really scary, but here it goes. Emotionally intelligent AI. AI can now analyze your voice tone and facial expressions, detecting nervousness or a lack of enthusiasm. Companies like Chorus.ai, which analyze sales calls similar to presentations, can offer insights on delivery and emotional connection. This AI tailors your personalized coaching to boost your confidence and connect with your audience on a deeper level. The third one is predictive analysis for Q&As. Are you worried about handling tough questions from your audience? Well, guess what? You're not alone. AI can also analyze your presentations and audience demographics to predict potential questions. And guess who steps in here? Dectopus AI is actually a great example for this, so look no further. Dectopus AI boasts a Q&A section that predicts 10 questions with their answers based on your topic. This can be a goldmine for anticipating audience concerns and formulating strong responses. Decto can analyze your target audience to the T. So you see, thanks to the questions it asks you before generating your presentation, it has all the information it needs to craft the perfect and most probable questions for you in a matter of minutes. And this data analysis can also help you identify common questions related to your field, and AI can further assist you in crafting clear and concise answers. The fourth one is biometric feedback. Imagine a wearable that tracks your heart rate and stress levels during practice. And it's much like the Apple Watch, really. Companies developing wearable tech for stress management, such as Whoop or Empatica, could be adapted for presentation training. This AI coach would then guide you on breathing techniques and pacing to stay calm and collected under pressure. Now, as we always say, AI isn't here to replace human coaches. However, it is a really powerful tool that empowers you to practice anytime and anywhere. No more scrambling to find a rehearsal space. Practice in your commute or during lunch breaks with your AI coach in your pocket. Personalized feedback. Just forget one-size-fits-all advice. AI tailors its guidance to your unique strengths and weaknesses, accelerating your progress. Breakthrough barriers. Struggling with public speaking anxiety? AI provides a safe, judgment-free space to practice and build confidence with tools like virtual reality and AI coaches. So as we can all agree, AI in the presentation world is actually really exciting. So are you ready to become the most captivating speaker in the room? Don't forget to try the tools I just talked about, and please let me know if you tried any of them. And of course, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech that inspires you. Until next time guys, good luck with your presentations and don't forget to rock the stage. Until then.